Hello there, how are you? In this video, I will discuss what is Google PPC ads. Mainly, there are three types of Google ads: PPC or search ad, display ad, and YouTube ad. YouTube ad is one kind of Google display ad. Now we will discuss what is Google PPC ad. PPC means pay per click. PPC ad is more important and more powerful for your business because when a customer think he will buy something in online, then he opens his Google search bar and then search his product. So you already understand how important and how powerful Google PPC ad is. PPC ad can be game changer of your business. Then I will go on of my Google Ads account, and this is my practice purpose account. For security purpose, we cannot show my client account. And now I will this is our keyword for our PPC campaign. And now I will click settings and go to keyword planner. And here Google says discover new keywords, so click here. And here says enter product or services closely related to your business. So here I will write 3 to 5 other keywords that are very close to our business. I research cleaning service keyword, so I write here best cleaning service, best cleaning service, then enter. And I also write cleaning service near me. Cleaning service near me. And I also write here best cleaning service company, best cleaning service company. And here I change my location. I research my keyword for USA, and here I write United States of country and include this location, then save. And here paste my client website link. So this is my client website link, and I copy this URL and then paste here. Okay, then click get result. Here show 8 keywords ideas available. So when you research our keyword, we will remember one thing, that our all keyword must have buying mode. We do not take informational or generic keyword. Okay, I take this keyword, best cleaning service. Then I copy this keyword, and I already ready a keyword research template and paste here. And I copy here another information, average monthly searches. So copy this, paste here, then again copy all this information, competition medium, top of bit low range $3.84, top of page bit high range $13.83. 3-month change is 0 and year of year change is 0. So in this process you research your all keyword. So I already researched cleaning service keyword for my client, and now I open this keyword, and here I already research some keyword. So guys, in this process you will research your all of keywords Thank you for watching this video. In next video, I will show you how to budgeting your campaign by using this keyword. Okay guys, if you have any question or any problem about your keyword research or your Google Ads campaign, without any hesitation, you will message me or comment below.